Most retirees think they're getting every dollar they deserve from Social Security. They're not. The average retiree leaves over $1,000 on the table every single year because of 5 simple mistakes nobody ever explained to them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are and how to fix them. So let's go. Mistake number 1, claiming too early. This is the biggest one. You can claim Social Security at 62, but doing that permanently cuts your monthly benefit by up to 30%. Not temporarily, forever. If your full benefit at 67 is $1,800 per month, claiming at 62 drops it to around $1,260 every month and for the rest of your life. If you can wait until your full retirement age, which is 67 for most people, do it. The difference over a 20-year retirement can be over $120,000. Mistake number 2, ignoring the spousal benefit. If you're married, listen carefully. Your spouse can claim up to 50% of your Social Security benefit, even if they never worked a single day. Most couples don't know this, and they leave hundreds of dollars per month unclaimed. The best strategy for most couples: the lower earner claims early for immediate income. The higher earner waits until 70 to maximize both their own benefit and the survivor benefit. One conversation with the Social Security office can unlock thousands of extra dollars per year. Mistake number 3, the earnings trap. Still working part-time while collecting Social Security? Be careful. If you claim before full retirement age and earn more than $22,000 per year, Social Security takes back $1 for every $2 you earned over that limit. That's money you thought you were getting. Gone. The fix: either wait to claim until you reach full retirement age or keep your part-time income under the limit. Mistake number 4, forgetting about taxes. Yes, Social Security can be taxed up to 85% of your benefit. It depends on your total income. If you're single and your combined income exceeds $34,000 to $44,000 as a couple, most of your benefit becomes taxable. The solution: before you retire, talk to a tax advisor about a Roth IRA conversion. It can dramatically reduce your taxable income in retirement and save you hundreds of dollars every year. Mistake number 5, never checking your statement. This one takes 10 minutes and could be worth thousands. The Social Security Administration keeps a record of your entire earnings history. That history determines your benefit. But mistakes happen, and they're more common than you think. Go to ssa.gov. Create a free account. Check every year of your earnings record. One woman we researched found a 5-year gap in her record. Fixing it added $200 per month to her benefit for life. 10 minutes. ssa.gov. Do it this week. Listen carefully to this real study case. Robert retired at 63. He claimed Social Security immediately, worked part-time on the side, and never checked his earnings record. 3 mistakes, over $10,000 lost in the first 2 years of retirement. Robert's story is common, but now you know what he didn't. Now you know better the situation. 5 mistakes, all avoidable, all fixable. If this helped you, subscribe. Every week we cover Social Security and Medicare in plain, simple English. Next week, how Medicare calculates your premiums based on your income and what you can do to pay less. See you then.